This tutorial review will show you how to change Facebook name font style. First of all, open your browser and type here Facebook name online. Open this second website and write here your Facebook account name. And here you will get lots of name sample. So I'm going to copy this one from here. Then go to your Facebook, tap on your profile menu, and here tap on settings, tap on personal and account info, tap on your name. Now in the first name section, paste the copied font here. Cut the last part inside of your name, again paste, and here cut the first part. Then tap on review change, tap on save. So as you can see, Facebook not accepting the font style. So if you're trying to change your Facebook name font, then you have to stop this process, because here is no option to change your Facebook name font. Facebook has been successfully disabled the option to change the Facebook name font. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe Tutorial River. See you in the next video.